Marketing is a pain across every business model in the world. It is an extremely competitive environment. So that's why you need to make sure that you're doing it correctly. Not just correctly by selecting the correct social media platform, but actually doing these methods on social media correctly and avoiding other platforms that are not going to get you proven results. This is why I'm going to share with you today exactly what I'm doing right now to be able to get results with my AI influencers and to be able to scale them to larger numbers. So I know a lot of you guys probably are starting to get views on TikTok or some other shit platforms like that, but you're not making any money. And that is the problem, because the objective of starting an AI model is obviously to make money. So today we're going to be breaking down what platforms best to use, what strategies are going to be more effective, and what platforms not to use so you don't waste your time and waste your money. And this is not just something I found with ChatGPT or searched online, found the first fucking forum and I'm now making a video from it. I have models myself. I manage a lot of models on a chatting agency. I know exactly what works. I have hundreds of models to be able to pull data from and work out the exact methods on how to get proven results. And then I apply it to my models and get results. So let's get into a few ways on how to market your AI influencer to get results. First things first, try and avoid the platforms that no longer make you any money. If you're new to this business model, you may have heard a lot of things about Reddit, dating apps, all of these things like Blue Skies maybe, or just some shit platforms that no one uses anymore. And the people that do use them are either specialists and just charge you a few grand and don't get your results, or people that think they have a really good strategy, start working on the platform, and then 2 or 3 weeks later realize that they're not making any money and it's extremely difficult to be able to get results with that traffic source. So try and avoid these platforms. A lot of people do a lot of hype on these platforms or have made videos on them in the past, but if you're ever watching a YouTube video and it's giving you information, please check the date on the video. Come on. As I think it's a common sense kind of thing to do, but if someone's talking about TikTok 4 years ago, it's completely different to what it is now. Marketing is constantly evolving and constantly getting more and more complicated and competitive, especially now things like Claude or other AI devices are on the market. So firstly, what platform are we going to use to get the most amount of money? Now this actually hasn't changed in the last few months. It's still Instagram. Instagram is still the best platform to be able to get customers across onto your model's account. Yes, it is not as effective as it was 6 to 7 months ago or even a year ago, but it is still a lot better than the other platforms. You just need to change up your marketing methods, which is exactly what this video is going to be about. So what marketing methods can we do on Instagram to be able to get some results? Now, firstly, do not behave like an OnlyFans model. Yes, I know she is an OnlyFans model or like a FanView model, AI model, whatever. It's a provocative industry, I understand. But do not start presenting yourself like that online. Now, the reason for that is because social media is going to see you posting semi-explicit content and they're going to be straight on your back from day one. They're going to be monitoring your account, restricting your account, and then overall, they're going to be banning your account. However, if they just think you're a normal woman, female, male, depends on the AI model, then they're not going to detect your account, they're not going to harass you, and they're not going to look at banning your account, because everyone in the world can make a social media account and they can start posting. So you need to act as normal as you can in the first few weeks. Now, a lot of you guys probably still don't understand what I'm going on about, so let's make it as plain as day. Don't post pictures of your model's arse on your Instagram. Post a picture of your model going to the zoo or doing something normal to be able to build and warm up that account to get started. In the future, okay, Instagram trusts you a lot more, so you can start to post a little bit more provocative content, a bikini picture down the beach, that kind of stuff. But from day one, do not post your model's arse on Instagram. Not gonna work. So changing your marketing method or change your marketing strategy on the platform means that you're gonna get better results. And that's what you guys wanna be doing. So yes, Instagram still number one, still goated, but just change up your strategy a little bit. Chill out on the fucking arse pictures and you should be absolutely fine. On that point, marketing method number 2, which you guys want to start applying, is actually running ads. Now, in the past, running ads I've never really been a big fan of. Personally, I think it's complicated, I think it's very annoying, and once again, you've got to put money in to get money out. And I preferred organic. However, you can now connect Claude to your social media accounts, to your ad accounts. Claude an extremely intelligent AI bot, social media accounts, a way to manipulate humans and make money, combining them together, putting a bit of money towards it, pretty good result. So what I'd recommend doing is actually using Claude to be able to get results on your Instagram account by running meta ads. Yes, a little bit complicated, but once again, you're using an extremely intelligent artificial intelligence to be able to help you get these results. So you should be all right, you know. And once again, if you need some more information, I know that OFM Carl on his channel is going to be running through a lot more info on how to get results with your AI model using Claude. So feel free to go check that out. In fact, I think he's even making a series on YouTube about it because it's been working very well for us in terms of AI design, meta ads, blah, 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 so on, but it's something that you want to be using. So go to his channel, check that out. I'll probably just link it down below if you want to go check it out. So obviously that's extremely important to be able to get traffic on Instagram via using intelligent bots. Saves you from doing the research, right? The last thing I'm going to be mentioning on how to market your model correctly and how to get traffic is actually a different platform. It's Twitter. Now, Twitter is great. It's been complicated in the past and it's been very annoying. But ever since Elon Musk has come along and he loves AI, obviously trying to evolve Grok and obviously alien spaceships or whatever the fuck he's doing, it has become a lot more positive towards the AI influencer environment, which is great because we have AI influencers. So getting your AI influencer on Twitter and running, once again, a correct strategy is going to help you succeed. And once again, it is competitive. You know, the barrier to entry to be able to get results has raised a little bit over the last few months because the business model is getting a little bit older and it's becoming a little bit more competitive. So you need to make sure you use the correct strategies to be able to get the correct results. However, there is a strategy to be able to help you. We have helped develop a software which is going to be able to help you get results. It's something that we have been using with our AI models to be able to get results on Twitter. And obviously that means the platform started evolving because I was rinsing the shit out of it all day, every day. And now there's a lot of data and it has become a public platform. So if you did want to start using that, obviously once again, it'll be linked down below. But this is a little cheat code for anyone that's fairly new to the Twitter game, never really done it, and need a bit of help with making tweets, making content, all of that kind of stuff, finding trends. If you've never been on Twitter, finding trends may be a little bit complicated. And making sure you get the correct direction as well, because Twitter does allow quite rogue things, let's say, and it does allow a lot of explicit content as well. So making sure that you follow the correct accounts is very important, because if you start posting lots of nude content on Twitter, doing all of that shit, then you're not going to be able to get conversions across your account because people have already seen everything they need to see. So why would they then pay extra to see more? Overall, if you want to market your AI model correctly, Instagram is number one, meta ads is number two, and then going across to Twitter and starting to use that platform is number three. Most likely in that order: organic Instagram, meta ads, and Twitter. There are some other platforms, you know, TikTok, honorable mention, but the thing with TikTok is conversions are so low and restrictions are so high, it's just a bit pointless nowadays. Whereas Twitter, you can get great results with fairly low restrictions, but you need to know the correct strategies. Instagram, you've got to play the method safe, invest a little bit of money, and you can get some great results there. And once you've got a good account, you can also get some amazing results organically as well. So hopefully this is giving you some sort of direction. And obviously if you want more information, there is ample information online for you, specifically around my channel or obviously OFM Carl's channel, which I've mentioned in the past. But hopefully you guys can obviously smash it with your AI model. And if you do need any more information, once again, there's communities, feel free to reach out to us. You know, we're happy to provide some more info. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.